Hey there, this is Samir of Young the Giant, here for another Character Strong Assembly. And I'd like to thank Houston for having me, for you guys for being here. Today the topic is on forgiveness. I think everyone knows a little bit about that. Forgiveness goes two ways, No one is perfect. And you hope that the person that you love or your friends or your family can forgive you. And you must also have the capacity to forgive. There's also just so much baggage that comes with holding on to a grudge so tightly. It's just not worth it. It's not worth messing your life up over. It's best to just let it go and to enjoy. As we all know, there are no guarantees in life. What we have is beautiful and precious, and we should cherish that and spend our time for positivity, spend that time cherishing those amazing things in our life and letting new ones grow. So this song is kind of a reminder of that, that we are all together, and in situations like this, we see ourselves together more than many other situations. So maybe this is a silver lining that, we're all affected and we're all there for each other. So this one's called The Same Folk. There's a man on Hill Street, said he threw away his name, but he schooled me about the universe for a pocket change. He said, I've been on this spot before, the human race and dinosaurs, it's all the same. For each and every pleasure there is pain. And when all's said and done, and we're waveless as our footsteps, everything is one, no right way or wrong. When all's said and done, we are just one. Same folk, same folk, same folk, same folk. Tossed 7 lives in his briefcase. Oh, now what's left to my name? So just spill the juice. So what's the use? What's real from fake? And he said, we've been through this many times before. Cosmic worlds, true love and war, it's all the same. For each and every pleasure there is pain. And when all's said and done, and we're weightless as our footsteps, everything is one, no right way or wrong. When all's said and done, we are just one. Same folk,